Hi guys, welcome to Nurse Pau channel. Today guys is very special day for us nurses. It's because it's the International Nurses Day today, and most people will ask what is the International Nurses Day. So as through my research, it is a global celebration that acknowledges and celebrates the commitment and bravery of nurses around the world. So this fantastic event is coordinated by the International Council for Nurses, or the ICN, to ensure that the invaluable contributions of nurses to the health of the people globally are recognized. So the ICN set the theme of International Nurses Day this year, 2021, as Nursing the World Back to Health, with a focus of the true value of nurses to the people of the world. So the ICN President Annette Kennedy has said that this global COVID-19 pandemic has shown the world that important role of nurses play in keeping the people healthy across the lifespan, and so the day we focus on future of the healthcare. So the International Nurses Day is celebrated today, the 12th of May, every year, which is the anniversary of the birth of the pioneer of nursing, which is the modern founder of modern nursing, which is Florence Nightingale. And also, this year's celebration has made all the more special as 2021 has been marked as the year of the nurse and midwife, as each 200th anniversary of Florence Nightingale birth. So Florence Nightingale is already 200 years old. Imagine guys, how 2 centuries ago when Florence Nightingale was. So she made a really enormous changes of founding this modern nursing. So when did this International Nurses Day begin anyway? It has been celebrated by the International Council for Nurses since 1965. However, it wasn't until 1974 when 12th of May was chosen to celebrate this day to coincide with the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. So how is International Day celebrated? Each year, the International Council for Nurses prepares and distributes the International Nurses Day kit containing valuable educational and public information materials that can be used by the nurses around the world. RCN, the Royal College of Nursing, which I'm one of the members as well, has greeted on their website saying Happy Nurses Day. Hi guys, welcome to Nurse Pau channel. As I mentioned earlier about our celebration today is the International Nurses Day. I just wanted to shout out to my Filipino nurses around the globe, especially here in the UK. We have our Filipino Nurses Association UK with my fellow members, and of course with our outstanding officers. With the president is Sir Ariel Lanada, who won a Nurse of the Year award here in the UK. And then our Vice President Arlene Bautista, our Secretary Susie Lagrata, our Treasurer Geraldine Yebra, Auditor General Drondelio, and PRO Minnie Klepax, and the rest of the officers in every region. And of course, the founder of the Filipino Nurses Association UK is Sir Francis Michael Fernando. He's the winner of the 50 BAMI Leader Most Influential Nurse. So shout out to them. We're proud to these Filipino nurses officers here in the UK. as well as to my classmates here in the UK. We have Luz de Guzman, Mayet Tagaan, Persia Tadlas, Graham, and one in Ireland, Cynthia Lugo. And of course, we have my classmates, quite a lot of them in the United States of America. Shout out to Neria Kamingawan, Rachel Alo, Lisa Fase, Ariel Matella, Maricel Oranyo, Crisilda Hobani, Nining Hobani, Doris Paomig, we have Virgil Daray, Cherimi Castolo, Helda Abusiho, and Evelyn Aninapon, and Marjorie Enriquez. And of course, we have my fellow nurses, my classmates in the uni before, also there in Canada, Ate Karen Barbizzo, Alberta Torpanca, Tony Tinoy, Edwin and Nora Edusma, Ellen Balagosa, Lilian Bernaldez, Mary Jane Cajes. And my classmates there in Australia as well, we have Edgardo Bencales, Heidi Cornell, Argel Polinar, and one in Europe is Miss Pinky Gumatay. Oh, she's now maybe Mrs. Of course, I have classmates there in New Zealand. My best friend, Gela Lopez, Nelia Gutierrez, and Joy Efondol. And I have loads of nurses, fellow nurses, my classmates in the uni still back home in the Philippines. They are Marlene Cagandi, Jen Digamo, Heidi Makoa, Arjun Noval, Edwin and Jasmine Dantes, Jen Aiko, Ruth Sipi, Christy Abayan, Anelpa Bagnol, Jermin, I forgot Jermin, Cherry Di Casa, Molang, Rosel Ocolio, Glenn Payag, Michi, Yeye, at yung iba pa na hindi ko na-mention dyan. And we have my classmates there in Saudi Arabia. We have Melba Apali, Aaron Libris, Ninya Efondo, and Evelyn Cueva. And of course, I won't forget my fellow nurses here in Leeds, UK. My batchmates who arrived here in 2001 from Singapore. Amy Biraki, Alvina Tablang, Alwina G. Madrigal, Charbel, Eleanor, Leslie, Mary Jane, GC Golio, Melu Jane, and my workmate as well before in the ward where when I arrived, we have Lloyd De Santos, Myla Doroja, Robbie Amel, and Pam Dandan. And of course, my cardiac ICU workmates before, Kuya Dan Cruzet, Banji, Lydia, Ati Angie, Myra, Jane, Jeanette, and Joel. And of course, my Pamilya Saragosa nurses here in the UK, Mrs. Queenie Beraki, Franklin de Guzman, Elsa and Gary, Jay, Ime Manuel, Melchris Blas, and Reggie. So I hope, so sorry for those that's not mentioned, but I hope you celebrate the Nurses Day today, International Nurses Day, with your own way of celebrating at home or at work or anywhere. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.